Order mo?
Caramel latte.
Ha?
Caramel latte.
Guys, huminto ulit kami dito sa may Dalibugon kasi papakain yung kapatid ko ng kwek-kwek. Puro rice fields yung mga yan. Tignan nyo. Yan o. So what's up guys? Nandito po kami sa may bukuhan ng aking tropa si Leonel Rijalbo. Dito po kami iinom ng ng buko. So what did you order?
Nothing.
Ha? What did you order?
Nothing.
Ha?
Nothing.
Wala.
I thought you want that one.
I did not order.
Oh, then you tell
I don't know how.
Yan yung mga pamimilian guys. You can see they have bibingka here. Ano tawag dito? Yan, log na may kulay. Tapos turon, tapos ano ba yan? Tapos meron din silang ano dyan
Okoy yata yun, okoy.
Okoy. Yeah. Ayan si Utol. Archie, nag-treat naman. So ayan guys, we're here now at Ipil. Ayan. Utol. Mal. Guys. Ayan ka. Sa may isa na Muslim. May tricycle. At least, ito, makikita mo talaga yung view. Yan ang papakita ko. Puro rice fields mo yan. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, driver ang kapatid ko. Guys, huminto ulit kami dito sa may Dalibugon kasi papakain yung kapatid ko ng kwek-kwek. Yan o, kwek-kwek. Sige.
Meron mo. 7 days mo pala ba?
Somebody call.
Tangled blonde hair, miles from the town, freedom found in the air. Throw the map in the dash, let the morning sky stay blue. No plans to be brash, everything is new. Take me down that road, back where those wildflowers grow. Take me.
Guys, order po tayo ng kape ni Mahal. Ano yung order mo? In-order mo?
Caramel latte.
Ha?
Caramel latte.
Caramel natin. So yan.
Oo nga, hindi nyo man pinaupo si tito nyo.
Sige tol, nakait ba? Yan. Ha? Wala na. Kaya gibagaw kalta na.
Yes.
Ha? Yeah. Sige.
Kano, hot or cold?
Hot or cold?
Hot na, mag-cold na.
Ha? Yeah. Sige, ikaw anak. What do you want? I don't drink really.
Oo, si dad, he's not drinking coffee talaga. Which one?
Ako pwede.
Hmm.
Arthur's Choco. Pwede.
What's that?
I don't know, I just saw the word choco in it. And it's not coffee based, so it's okay. Okay, ayan lang sa atin.